So I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about what's gonna come up next in the software programming, development, building, engineering world. I'm calling it metaphorical programming. I'm calling it simile programming. I'm calling it analogous programming. So what these concepts are about is that we describe, we take a particular system that already exists. Let's say it's a water flow, let's say it's an ecosystem or a zoo, let's say it's tectonic plates, any kind of system that we already perceive to be in nature. The way we talk about pipelines, right, is partially there. Like we're already talking analogously about it. So when we code with IDEs, we need to begin with an analogy in mind, and then we need to separate out our code base based on the components of that system. So we may have dams, clouds, rivers, pipes, ti- uh, pi- taps, floodgates, etc. And each of these are analogies for different parts of the code base. And what this will do is give us the ability to navigate code bases better, to provide us with naming convention that is consistent. So a new person who enters the code base does not need to understand the entire code base. If they understand the analogy that was being worked on here, they can infer where the rest of the structure is and how the code has been divided. So you can use whatever analogy you want. The convergence isn't on using water as the analogy. You could use aerodynamics as an analogy. Whatever analogy you choose and works for you. But this will help in code navigability. This will help in naming conventions. This will help in providing innate structure. If you look at the kinds of names that AI will provide you for the names of your files, they're terrible. They're just so bad. Everything is systems level, blah blah blah. These are not naming conventions that you can actually use long term. Okay, they do not help you remember it, and they don't really infer inherent structure so well. So I'm calling it out there. I'm calling it metaphorical programming, analogous programming, simile programming. These are also words that even AI couldn't coin for me. I'm inventing these words now. Don't think about what AI can do for you. Think about what you can do for AI.